name's Peter Kamp. I'm a professor in the Faculty of Science and Engineering at the University of Waikato, and I'm the leader of the Energy Research Group. This Fieldays exercise is really related to the industrial energy efficiency applied to the dairy industry. So energy efficiency in the dairy industry is very important for our cost competitiveness of our dairy product, which is sold overseas. And I'm thinking here more of the off-farm industrial processing of milk into milk powder, and that of course needs to be undertaken very efficiently from an energy viewpoint in order that the cost is contained. So if we think about dairy processing, there's really a number of areas that are important to contain cost and hence the cost competitiveness of the product. One is the area of energy efficiency, and we think of that in terms of reducing the amount of energy that's used in the production of, for example, milk powder, but that's very closely related to other areas in the processing factories, in particular areas like maintenance and reliability of the plant, and also the capacity of the plants to actually produce product at a reasonable capital cost. In the industrial processing part of Fonterra in particular, which is the company that we're working with specifically, the major problem there is actually in the area of plant reliability, manufacturing reliability, plant capacity and energy efficiency. And our work is focused at trying to improve all of those elements. So what that means in effect is we're working to actually improve the engineering efficiency of the various elements of these processing plants, in particular the milk powder plants. Well, the improvements benefit the farmer because at the end of the day the payout to the farmer and to the other shareholders is really the balance between the total cost of production and the surplus which remains, which is distributed as the payout to farmers. And what we need to do is ensure that the New Zealand processing plants are more efficient than competitors overseas. And that can be achieved in a number of ways. One, by building new plants which are built to higher standards and best practice, and also by retrofitting existing plants so they operate more efficiently. Our research involves systematically going through all of the components of, in particular, the milk powder plants and improving the engineering so that collectively the product is made more efficiently.